We're going to begin by making the dressing. Start by adding a quarter cup of Skinny Girl balsamic dressing into a cup. Then we're going to add in a tablespoon of sugar-free maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and then a half a teaspoon of both ginger and garlic. And just a splash of sesame oil. You don't need very much. It has a really strong flavor. Whisk that all together until everything's well blended. And then we're going to use 2 cups of a bagged vegetable blend. I use the kale blend, but there's lots that you can choose from. We're also going to use half a cup of edamame, and I just get the frozen ones. You can just heat these up in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes until they're soft. Then heat up your oil in a nonstick pan. You can add a little bit of chopped ginger and garlic if you choose. Then put your 2 cups of vegetables into the hot pan. You just want to lightly saute these until they're just tender. Season your salmon fillet with pepper and salt and then add it to the same pan. You're going to cook it for about 3 minutes on each side. You can also drizzle a little bit of the dressing on it just before it's finished cooking. And that's it. Quick, easy, low-calorie dinner in 20 minutes. Enjoy!